So I finally got some time with the new Kawasaki KX327, and honestly, this thing surprised me. On paper, it's a 327cc fuel-injected two-stroke, and yeah, that already sounds wild. But what matters is how it actually feels on the track. First impression, it's light. Like noticeably lighter than most modern 450s. The power delivery is where it really stands out. It's got that classic two-stroke hit, but it's smoother and way more controllable than I expected. You're not fighting the bike, it actually feels like it's working with you. The electric start is a huge win too. No more kicking after a stall in the middle of a race. Suspension feels planted, especially in rough corners, and the chassis is super flickable in tight sections. Now, is it perfect? Not really. The aggressive power can still catch you off guard if you're sloppy with the throttle, and it's definitely not a beginner bike. But overall, this is the most fun I've had on a Kawasaki in a long time. So, is it worth your money? If you want modern tech with old-school two-stroke excitement, yeah, absolutely.